Look, ultimately the changes at half-time resulted in the winning goal. So, you know, that's what you want from changes, that they have a positive impact. And yeah, look, the guys that came in, Sylvester came in, did very well. Achuga came in, obviously has almost scored a third goal to seal the game. So overall, I was pleased with the guys that came in. But across the board, you know, everybody, I think we need to just have a little bit more fire in our belly when we go up to Morahony on Sunday, because we know Wazito's going to be another incredibly tough game.